It is that time. We're going to answer some of your questions now. Steve Weiss, begin with you. Sam in New York, what's the name to own for 5G? Which you talk about 5G all the time, Steve. So what's the name?
I don't think there's one. Qualcomm obviously is going to be a big beneficiary, but Skyworks has been a great story. I love that. 50% of their business comes from Apple. You can also own Qorvo. You can own Keys. They're all great companies, all going to perform very well through a 10-year 5G cycle.
John Nigerian from Venue in Cupertino, California. Why in the same fading out car rental space did Hertz go from $20 high in February to bankrupt, and another competitor, Avis, rose from $7, the March low, to the current price of $32?
Yeah, Avis was the one that people basically that wanted exposure to that space, Scott, were flocking into. And until Hertz got into that bankruptcy phase where they were basically buying those one-strike puts, Scott, bankruptcy puts, if you will, those were really just bondholders probably, or people that wanted a say in the bankruptcy hearing. So if you wanted to be in the space, it was really just this one, CAR, Avis, that was your shot, and a lot of people took that.
All right, Shan, to you from Streetcar in Millburn, New Jersey, not that far from Steve Weiss's place. What are your thoughts on Cisco, SYY, Cisco?
This company is absolutely going to benefit from restaurant reopening, which we think is going to happen a bit faster than we see the return to travel. There's some smaller distributors that unfortunately will probably be pushed out of the market, and so we think there's an opportunity for Cisco to gain share as well as to distribution to grocery stores. There's been a little bit of negative news lately, but we do think that they'll be able to rehire a significant number of the employees that they've had to let go as we get that restaurant reopening momentum.
Yana, for you from Dan, what is a key corporate financial indicator we should be tracking in this post-COVID new normal?
Well, profitability is definitely one, but stocks go up or down based on trend. Are things getting better or worse? So anything that allows you to quantify the rate of change of revenue and earnings growth, couple that with macroeconomic data should suffice.